Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to delete your Instagram account. Go ahead and get yourself logged into the desktop version of Instagram. Scroll all the way down till you see some clickable links at the bottom. Go ahead and click on support. Hit managing your account. Again, delete your account. Click on how do I delete my account. You'll be directed to the delete your account page. Go ahead and click on that. It asks you why you're deleting your account. Go ahead and just pick any random thing. You gotta enter your password and then hit permanently delete my account. It prompts you as to whether you're sure you want to delete your account. After you've selected OK, it says your account has been removed. We're sorry to see you go, and you're automatically logged out of your account, and your account is deleted effective immediately. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.